Morning, YouTube. Today I'm on Padre Island. I'm gonna try to bake this cold out. So I'm thinking gargle with salt water. Yeah, I'm just gonna breathe salt air. So hopefully, let's get out on. And now we're going out on some sand. Well, I chose this spot so I could back it out of the way. There's also room in case another schoolie wants to come down and visit. You know, while I'm here, I put it up on my Facebook page. So we'll see. Pretty nice. I mean, this gets to be my my view. And of course, I got, I don't know, 30 miles of beach to walk if I want to go that way. And I think I'm about 3 miles, maybe 2 or 3 miles down from the entrance. So, but while I'm here, I'm going to pick up some of the trash that I see laying around and just enjoy myself. My mom was from the coast of Massachusetts, and she'd always told me about Portuguese men of war, and it's the first one I've actually ever seen. Whereas this one's dead, laying here on the beach. But I'm not going to touch it because I'm not sure if they're like rattlesnakes that even dead they're going to hurt you. But sort of cool, finally see one. I wonder where a coconut came from. Looks like it's been in the water for a while. It's got some mussels growing on it. I don't know. Make up your own story. I'm going to go with it. Fell out of a canoe in somewhere in the South Seas and somehow made it all the way to the Gulf Coast. Could happen. So this is my third day here on the beach, and it's interesting. It's 9:30 in the morning, and I'm not supposed to get a high tide until about 4. And what's changed here since I've been here is this. I don't know if you can see it, but see this little spot right here? It's right in front. And another one over here is it seems like the ocean is deciding, or the Gulf is deciding to come in a little farther. And, excuse me, I've also been fighting a cold. We've had offshore winds. It's died down some right now than it was before, but it's still pretty strong. And one way to tell a high tide mark is where the trash, you know, the seaweed and trash and stuff is at. Well, it was about where I am, about here when I got here. Now there's actually a line right up here where the water did come up right to the front of the bus. So I'm thinking that maybe I'll leave the beach today. With the wind coming up and the fact that, like I said, this little spot comes within about 20 feet of the bus, so the waves are just getting funneled up through here, I think I'll move on. So anyway, I'm gonna get on the road, see where I go, see what I can find, and I'll see you later, YouTube. Sure would have been nice to have a few more sunny days here.